Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to blend text in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. First, create a new layer, type text or paste any text. Then step 1, right click on your mouse or text style, choose your style or the most popular style arc. Bend, horizontal, distortion, vertical, arc lower and upper, and apply step 2. Create a new layer, choose the pen tool, path, then click anywhere, bend, hold Alt key, remove out selection, then choose the text tool, click insert middle point, type any text or paste text. OK. Again double click, increase text size. OK, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.